Јеnnіfer Lове Неwіtt is an American television producer and an actress, an author and singer-songwriter who is best known for her role as a ज़ाrाh Reeveظ Merrīn on Party of Five. Fox aired the drama between 1995 and 1999. Her first acting role was in kіdձ Incorporated as well as a television commercial. She has 4 studio albums too. Early life. Јennіfer Newіtt was born in 1979 on 21st February to Ratrісіa Mае and Nerbert Danіel. Her birthplace was Waco, Texas, but she was raised in Nolensville, Central Texas. Her mother's and father's career were a speech language pathologist and medical technician, respectively. She was born together with her elder brother Nerbert. After their parents separated, the two went to live with their mother. She was 10 when Hewitt and her mother left for Los Angeles. The move was for her to pursue a career in singing and acting. While there, she joined Lincoln High School. Personal life. Hewitt and Ross McEl started dating in 2005 after he appeared on her show Ghost Whisperer. He is a Scottish actor. In November 2007, they got married during a vacation in Hawaii. In 2008, she called off the engagement. Hewitt later started dating a star in the client named Brian Halsey. By June 2013, they were engaged and were also expecting a child together. That same year, before their child was born in November, the two got married. They announced they were expecting their second born child in January 2015. He was born in June that same year. The names of their children are Atman and Atticus. Age, height and weight. Being born on 21st February 1979, Јennіfer Lове Newіtt is 42 years old. As of today's date 22 and January 2022. Her height is 1.57 meter tall and weight is 55 kg. Career. Hewitt appeared in over 20 television commercials after they settled in Los Angeles. Some of them were for metal toys. Between 1989 and 1991, she was a child actor of variety shows called kіdձ Incorporated. The show was aired on the Disney Channel. In 1992, Hewitt appeared in a video released by Bio-Wiki and titled Dance Workout with Barbie. Awards and achievement. In 1994, she won a Young Artist Award. She has also been awarded 2 Blockbuster Entertainment Awards in 1998 and 1999. In the latter year, maintained above, she even got a Teen Choice Award. Between 2000 and 2003, she got 3, namely a People's Choice Award, Kid's Choice Award, and DVD Premier Award. Hewitt was also awarded 2 Southern Awards, one in 2007 and the other in the following year. Net worth and salary. As of January 2022, Јennіfer Newіtt has an estimated net worth of over $20 million. Hewitt is primary source of income in her acting career. She has various roles in different television series as well as films. In addition to that, she has 4 albums and has made earnings from their sales. They include Love Songs and Very Naked. How It is also a vocalist and released a single named How I Do I Deal was on the list Billboard Top 100.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow